The world is a beautiful place, filled with majestic landscapes, bright colors, and sublime scenery. But why is it beautiful? And how did the human species come to recognize and appreciate this beauty? Did beauty evolve? Or is there much more to it than that? These are important questions, so let's talk about it. Charles Darwin's landmark book on the origin of species ends with the famous words, "Endless forms, most beautiful and most wonderful, have been and are being evolved." It's a fitting end to Darwin's book, as beauty is also effectively the end of what his theory could explain. In a letter to a colleague, he confessed, "The sight of a feather in a peacock's tail, whenever I gaze at it, makes me sick." There are many missing links in a Darwinian worldview, but arguably none more conspicuous or problematic than the existence of beauty. Darwin could declare that the world was beautiful, but he was tongue-tied to explain why it was beautiful. You see, his theory required two essential elements. The first is an ever-present struggle for survival. The second are biological mutations, called adaptions, that provide some individuals with an advantage over others. This is called selective fitness, and is the essence of the mantra, survival of the fittest. On its own, this theory appears logical and workable, until beauty. Beauty is painfully out of place in Darwin's theory. It offers no survival advantage. In fact, it often has the opposite effect. A peacock's brightly colored tail feathers are like neon signs, declaring to prey, "Here I am, come eat me." Other Darwinists have attempted to solve this mystery by suggesting that beauty must somehow be directly related to health. But this simply isn't the case. Take the club-winged manakin. Unlike most bird species, their wing bones are solid rather than hollow. This allows them to produce as many as 1,400 sounds a second and create wonderful songs with their wings. These songs play an important role in their mating rituals, but they also come at a detriment to their ability for flight. The birds have traded effective flight for beautiful music, inspiring the amusing New York Times headline, "Are these birds too sexy to survive?" Darwinism declares that only survival matters, but beauty declares that there is much more to the world than that. So if Darwinism can't explain beauty, then what can? The Bible can. Psalm 19:1 says, "The heavens declare the glory of God, the skies proclaim the work of his hands." God did not just create a purely functional universe, he also made it beautiful. He did not just create an environment finely tuned and balanced for survival, he also filled it with enchanting colors and sublime landscapes. In short, beauty did not evolve. It was given as an amazing gift. Hey, I appreciate you guys checking out this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and I pray that you'll continue to collide with your world for Christ.